Hello everyone, welcome to the World Drone Market channel. In this video we will explain how to use the SIYI RC10pro groundside Type-C upgrade port to communicate with a Windows ground station, enabling wired telemetry between the flight controller and the computer. First, enter the transmitter and open the UniGCS application. In the data link settings, set the connection mode to upgrade. Next, set the baud rate to match the serial port baud rate of the flight controller. Please make sure the baud rate is exactly the same as the flight controller's serial port setting. Otherwise, communication cannot be established. After completing the settings, use the original upgrade data cable to connect the Type-C upgrade port at the bottom of the ground unit to your Windows computer. Once connected, the computer will automatically recognize the device and create a new communication port. At this time, a prompt window may pop up on the transmitter screen. Simply click Cancel. This will not affect communication. Then open Device Manager on your computer and click on Ports. Locate the newly added USB serial device. For example, it may appear as COM13. The port number may vary depending on your computer, so please check the actual display. After confirming the port number, open the Mission Planner ground station software. In the top right corner, select the newly identified COM port. Set the baud rate to the same value configured earlier, then click Connect. After a few moments, the flight controller will successfully connect to the ground station. Once connected, gently move the flight controller. You should see real-time attitude changes on the Mission Planner main interface, indicating that telemetry communication is working properly. Next, click Setup and enter the radio calibration page. Move the transmitter sticks and you will see the channel values updating in real time. This confirms that the transmitter output and flight controller input are functioning correctly. By following these steps, you have completed the wired communication setup between the SIYI RC10pro and a Windows ground station via the Type-C upgrade port. If this video was helpful, please like, comment, and subscribe to the World Drone Market channel. We'll continue bringing you more drone tutorials and real-world tests. See you in the next video.